Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're making simple air fryer French fries. And what you're going to need is about a pound of potatoes. This is a little over a pound. Tablespoon of oil. I got a tablespoon of seasoning salt. You can use half a tablespoon, teaspoon. A little bit better. Okay, I got the air fryer going, getting it heated up to 380. Got a bowl of water, so when I cut up the fries, I can put that in there, and then I'll show you how to do all the better things here. All right, well, let's get this going here. Okay, as you can see, we got the water here. I got my potatoes here, so we're going to put these over here, and we'll get this going here. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, go ahead and chop up these potatoes, and be careful not to cut yourself. So we're going to cut these up here. These a little bit more there. Okay, so you can see that's about what you want right there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting these up. And as you cut them up, you just put them in the water. If you got a bowl with a lid on it, you put it on there, and I'll show you what to do if you don't have one here in a little bit. Let me just finish up with cutting these up. I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, everybody, I've had the air fryer preheating a little bit here. It's still heating it a little bit. Now I'm going to take this, we're going to dump the water off of this. I had these soaking for about 20-30 minutes. Just use a paper towel. And pat it down. Now, we're going to put this in a bag and damp it down just a little bit more. Alright, and we're going to put in the tablespoon of oil. Sealed up. This keeps well, and you just take it, shake it, this gets it all nice and coated on your okay. The next thing you want to do is take your oiled fries and put them in the air fryer, and I found about 25 minutes, 30 minutes is good for this. So, all right. Well, every 5 minutes you want to take the fries out. 5 to 10 minutes, take it out, shake them up, get them mixed in together. They let it heat evenly. Then I'll show you what to do with the salt here. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna take this and shake this. There's been a little bit of going on here, so I'm gonna shake it. Just get it shook a little bit, and you just stick it right back in there. You do that every few minutes, and it keeps it evenly cooked. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit more. Okay guys, we're going to shake this one more time. And as you can see, they're actually almost ready to go. They still got a little bit on them one side to go, but it's looking good. I like to have mine nice and brown. Now, right now they could be good to go. So we're going to let it go for just a few more minutes to brown, and we're going to salt them up and taste them. Alright, well, we'll see you in a few more minutes when these are all done. Okay guys, I've let this go for a few minutes, let it cool down. As you can see, look at that. That looks so good right there, don't it? Alright. Good shake. That is just the way that I like it. Alright. I'm going to cool this down. What you want to do, you can either put it in a bowl with a top and shake it. Since I can't find my bowl with the top, just put it in and get another we're going to get another Ziploc bag. We're going to put in our salt, and we're going to be very careful with this. I'll just give the fries a good shake. Then we'll put the fries in the thing here. There you go. Okay. Good and salted. Put a little bit less in this than you want. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and give these a try. Perfect. Perfectly cooked. Like how they're browned on the skin. And I always leave the skin on when I make my own homemade fries. As you can see, about 20-25 minutes in the air fryer. You want to take it, shake it about every 5 or so minutes. Get it cook evenly, and then you just shake in your seasoning at the end, and you're all good. I just use seasoning salt for these, so these are going to be real good to enjoy for a snack or a side or something like that for your dinner. Get you a good hamburger going on. You're all set. So, alright. Take time to comment below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch more cooking videos like this. I have a cooking video that comes out every Saturday. I also have some taste test videos, some sights seeing and adventure type stuff that I do. And, well, I'll see you guys later, and enjoy the day that the Lord has given you.
I eat the whole thing myself.